Is okay?
Right.
Juice up, then down. Juice in, then out. Samba side. Guys, tell me, how do you feel this time?
We feel fantastic, terrific, strong. Juice baby boom sakama. We feel wonderful, ride on juice.
By that. Juice?
By that.
Juice?
By that.
Motivated?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes.
Ready to work?
Yes.
Ready to be promoted?
Yes.
Money.
J-Boy.
Why see?
Nashukuru Mungu amenileta smartic. Munaona jinsi gani cosmatic. Sio kwa mwili hadi ndani tu kwa hati. Maisha mazuri yamenikubali. Siwezi mnilia mtu yangu hali. Kungangana na maisha sikubali. Ndani ya smart nitakuwa na mali. Kila mtu mimi atanikubali. Smart yo, we are one and only in the world. Smart yo, we are one and only in the world. That empower the youth, we are one and only in the world. That empower the youth, we are one and only in the world.
Sisi wote tunaweza, sisi wote tunaweza, sisi wote tunaweza, sisi wote tunaweza.
Got that right. I never fear cause I'm ready here. I go play like here as long I'm here. Life is hard, life is hard. Outside there that life is hard. I'm guided by the peace that I'll never ever cease. Life like this I go pray for please. Stronger in the den, motivated again, excited again and ready to attain. Fear in the man that will never stay here. I go tell you dear, if you like you are there. Set your course that will guide you through. Prepare in the man that everything is true. Whatever that you do, you are passing through. Believe in you that you can do. To persist we do, our life is true.
Smart yo, we are one and only in the world. Smart yo, we are one and only in the world. That empower the youth, we are one and only in the world. That empower the youth, we are one and only in the world.
Sisi wote tunaweza, sisi wote tunaweza, sisi wote tunaweza, sisi wote tunaweza. Maisha kanipiga nyumbani kitambo, nikahasu kufanya mjengo. Sometimes nikapigwa mavimbo, nikajua sitomaliza mwendo. Nafasi nikapata nikaingia smartic, kutimiza yangu malengo. Shida zote nimezeka kando, ni wakati wa kufanya mipango. Smartic, nisema asante kunipa mikibali. Maisha haya fadhali, mwenzio nina hali. Kuishi maisha gali, yale ya kifahari.